Hello and welcome back to another EV John Adventures EV Gear review. Today's EV Gear review is going to be quick and simple, but it might just be one of the most practical modifications I've made to my Model Y. And this kit from EVBASE is a set of two drink holders that mount to the front doors of the Tesla Model Y or Model 3. This is going to be a huge benefit to me when I travel with my wife and my daughter for road trips, or really any trip, and I'll show you why when we get inside. So when we're on the road, I like to stay hydrated, and I don't want to have to stop and spend what feels like a small fortune these days on drinks. So I like to bring a lot of drinks with me, and I end up putting a couple bottles of water in the door pocket. Let me show you. So we'll travel with a couple bottles of water in the door pocket. I'll have the cup holders loaded up for my wife and me, or whoever I'm riding with and me, and we'll just load it up. But the problem then becomes, where do we stick the extra drinks? Especially when we get something like a can or a cup that's not in like a sealed bottle type of thing that we can duck in the door pocket. We end up with a lot going on. And because I'm driving, I usually end up taking both cup holders in that situation, and there's just no more room left, and my passenger is often left holding the drink on their own or figuring out some other kind of solution, like trying to jam it in here and hoping it doesn't spill. But EVBASE is going to help us fix all of that. This kit from EVBASE includes a set of two drink holders that mount on the door right in front of the door handle. So each small box here contains the drink holder itself and a mount, and these are specific to passenger side or driver side. This one here is for the passenger side. It has a tool, which I'll show you how to use that in a minute, and then a new screw. And it is super easy to install. All we have to do is remove one screw out of the front door handle, slide the new mount in, use the new screw to screw it back together. This tool is literally all you need, and you can have an extra cup holder in just a matter of minutes. Let's go take care of it right now. So this is where the new cup holder is going to mount on the door. And right under here, if I can get in here, right here is a screw where the door handle mounts into the door structure itself. We're just going to use our hex tool here and unscrew that. It's going to be super easy to do, and then we'll insert the new one. Okay, so I have the tool engaged with the screw head right here. It does go in at kind of an angle, and we're just going to remember to turn left to loosen, and we'll do it. Now, I did have to give it a little bit of a push to break it loose. Maybe there's some Loctite on this from the factory, but this should just twist right out. Comparing the screw that was in the door with the screw that the kit came with, you can see this is a little longer. This one from the kit is slightly smaller, but the biggest difference in why you can't reuse this is because the factory screw can't really fit into this recessed area where the mount goes. So that's why you have to use the one from the kit that's a bit smaller. So let's go ahead, get this seated, and go ahead and screw it in. All right, all I did was just insert the area where the screw goes into the recessed part of the handle, and you can see how this mounts. And now, righty-tighty, we're just going to screw it in one-handed here. All right, we have it nice and tight. We'll just give it a little final tightening. I like this, super sturdy. Now, the last step is just to take the drink holder itself and we just insert it. You can see we have this kind of hook here and we have this ledge here, and we just need to set it on here. And oh, there we go. Fits right in, and push it down. And that is all it takes. So this drink holder is now mounted on, and we are good to go. Let's go test it out. All right, so testing this out, you can see it's the perfect size for a can, holds it nice and solid, and we can even use a bottle of water. Now, I don't think your Owala or your Stanley is going to fit in here, but if you have a bottle or a can or something like that, it's going to work just fine, and it doesn't get in the way of the door handle or the window at all. I think this is a really, really nice addition. So if you've ever had a fight in your car about cup holders, if you have your main cup holders taken and you have an extra cup that isn't going to work in your door pocket, this small solution from EVBASE is a great way that extra cup holder utility to your Model 3 or Model Y in just a few minutes. And there you have it. Today's super simple EV gear review, these drink holders from EVBASE. I really think they're going to help us out on our road trips, solving our maybe first world problem of what do we do with all of these drinks? Maybe you have the same discussions on your road trips. Anyway, thank you EVBASE for sending them to me. You could order a set on your own on evbase.com. Use code EVJOHN at checkout and you can save 20% off these drink holders and anything else you buy from EVBASE. They have a ton of really cool Tesla accessories and accessories for other EVs as well. So go check them out and use code EVJOHN at checkout. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you can. Subscribing is the best way you can help my small and growing channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you on another one again soon.